how to download a YouTube video on your desktop or laptop. This is what you will learn in this video. But most importantly, another question that I will try to answer is that how would you watch that downloaded video? So we'll straight away go to the tutorial without any giving preamble. I'm just going to click one of the video of Mr. Beast. I have intentionally muted the video so that we can talk. Okay, I can pause the video also. And then over here, since I have installed few extensions, that is why the download button is not visible here. However, if you haven't installed the Chrome extensions like vidIQ, your download button would be visible over here. Otherwise, if you're like me, then you need to click these 3 horizontal dots, and then the remaining icons or buttons would be available in this drop down menu. See, download is here. I'm just going to click the download, and in the next pop-up it will ask me the download quality. While I can download the standard 480p or low quality 144p if I'm using the free version of YouTube, which most of us are actually doing it. However, if you have a premium account, then you can download the max resolution of this video. Since we are operating on a free account, so we'll select the max resolution of the free, which is in this case 480, and then I'm going to click download. So it is going to take some time, and you will see the progress over here. And once it is done, while you can view the video by clicking that view, however, we'll just go to the home page, and from here I will show you that how you can watch those videos. So what I have observed, that once you download some video, the download icon automatically gets visible here if your sidebar is hidden. However, if your sidebar is visible, or if you click these bars, you can see the downloads over here. And once you will click that, you will see the downloaded videos over here. Before you leave this video, one thing you need to remember is that this is not a classical download that you do through a third-party software. This video will not be available in your Windows Explorer. It is not saved on your hard disk. You can only watch that video while staying within the YouTube. So just in case you do not have a internet and you want to watch the video which is already downloaded, you need to, in the search bar, you need to write youtube.com. And by default it is going to take you on this download page because the internet is not available. So from there you can just click on the downloaded videos and you can watch that.